Hi everyone, it's Simon Amas here with episode 5 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, what's in a title? Short answer, everything. Ever heard of clickbait? The title is so intriguing, it makes you want to click on it. Well, in the biopharmaceutical manufacturing industry, SOP titles may not be clickbait worthy, but they do have to let the reader know in a few short words what it is they're about to read. So skip the vague, skip the high level, and just get to the point. For example, how's this for a title? Proper startup operation of a pump. How about this? How to start up a pump. How about this? How to safely start up a pump. How about this? How to safely start up a centrifugal pump. You get my drift, right? The word centrifugal here is used to describe a special type of pump that uses circular motion to move fluids from one place to another. The more specific you can get in that title, the more information and clarity that you give to your reader and eventually your end user. They don't have to guess what this SOP is about. They can already tell from the first line. Clickbait? Well, kinda, sorta. SOPs that get opened and read and adhered to? Most definitely. I'll be taking a short break next week to enjoy the upcoming July 4th holidays. Be right back, y'all. Thank you.